Welcome to Slide Egg. Today, I'm going to show you how to print PowerPoint notes in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, open your PowerPoint presentation. Once you've got it open, head to the File tab at the top left corner. From there, click on Print. Now, you'll see the printer drop down. This is where you select the printer you want to use. Next, check the Settings section. Make sure Print All Slides is selected. Here's the important part. Under the Layout options, choose Notes Pages. This will print one slide per page, with your notes neatly displayed underneath each slide. If you want to save paper, you can choose 3 slides vertical instead. This prints 3 slides on each page. After that, pick your page orientation, either portrait or landscape, whichever suits you better. Now for the colors. You can go with color, grayscale, or even pure black and white, depending on how you want your notes to look. Once everything's set, decide how many copies you need by entering the number in the copies box. Finally, when you're ready, just hit print, and that's it. Your slides and notes are ready to go. And there you have it. That's how you print PowerPoint notes like a pro. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you found it helpful.